as athletes, meron tayong pinakamasakit na game, natalo, and then when you came home, what was the advice?
Wala kan siguro, hindi siguro game. Siguro yung nalaman ko nga na I won't be able to play for 18 months. Siguro, especially going to that press conference, it was tough for me to swallow, knowing that right after this, my suspension will start immediately, di ba? So, pagtapos nun, we went home together as a family, and then their only reminder naman sa akin is nandito na to, what can we do about it? We maximize the time that you're doing na wala kang ginagawa. Let's do your advocacy, let's do your campaign.
They're very constructive with their advice.
And yun din, siguro, as you said, meron silang book of wisdom na nakalatag na talaga dyan for us to really follow and to really just absorb. And it was spot on for me. I was able to realize a lot of things.
Well, Kiefer, you've gone through a roller coaster of ups and downs in your career. Different things happen to you. Is it painful for you to have those things in public, and of course your parents are public figures?
Well, of course it's painful. Kasi for me, I think the moment you become numb with certain situations, that's the moment you just don't care about anything. You'll just keep on doing and doing and doing the same thing. And for me, of course, it's painful. Unang-una, because I'm not just Kiefer Avena naman. I have the whole family to carry around my back every single time in all the actions that I do, whether it's correct or wrong. So it's painful for me, especially seeing with how social media is handled right now, seeing them getting involved with my actions, my wrongdoings. Nadadamay. Of course, atin, alam mo naman yan, we try to keep a cold head, we try to keep it calm as much as we can, but there are certain things na talagang will, medyo overboard na. But, we still have to be the better person. We still have to stay on our level at the end of the day. We're role models at the end of the day. People, kids, the youth look up to us in how we handle certain situations. So, yun din yung mga naturo nila sa akin. Just seeing them strong makes me even stronger.